I think what fundamentally changes is the way you think about threat modeling. There's new and different types of attacks that could be applied to AI and machine learning models that you are developing within your organization that you really need to think about. You need to think about things like, how do I prevent against data poisoning or evasion or model inference attacks, these types of things. That's what's, to me, is really the newness. And so just a little piece of advice for everyone, I would say that instead of really wrapping a lot of your time around, okay, how do I change my existing security policy at my company, think about how you change your standards and guidelines and the way you educate your employees about AI and machine learning, both from a in a build capacity, your organization is actually building those models, but also the consumption of AI that's out there. And that's what's been really kind of lighting the world on fire, is all the large language models and chat. Those are two different ways to kind of think about the problem.